Hello everyone, welcome to the beach. I'm in North Somerset. The tide is out. It is about fully out now, I would say. So it's about 45 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, whatever, before it returns or starts its return. So I've got 3 or 4 hours to play on this beach. And behind me is a holiday resort. I don't need to say where I am, because anyone that knows the landscape will already know where I am. And there you go. Enjoy. See at the first hole, whether it be trash or whether it be good. We will see. Thank you for joining, and thank you for watching. Enjoy. Goodbye. Right, I've got a very, very faint signal. It's a 76. Let's have a look. Very faint, so either a small item or quite deep. That's probably a bottle cap. Let's just see if there is something else here, because something else is pinging as well. It might just be the salt. I think it's a bottle cap. Yeah, it's just a bottle cap. Very crusty. There you go. First hole. Bit of rubbish as a bottle cap. Well, it doesn't matter which way round I go. It's an 88, so is it going to be a coin? Yes, it is. Just here. We've got a pound. We've got a pound. Good start. There you go. £1. That's in the scoop. Is it another coin, or has it been a bit of crap? No, it's another ring pull. Never mind. I've got a 71, 72 that way. Same there, that way. Yeah, 70, 71 that way. So, is it going to be another coin, or is it going to be another ring pull? It's out. Let's get rid of the worm. It's in the scoop. Yeah, 20p piece. It's 20p. Happy days. Oh, he just said a horrible sounding 76. I didn't film it being dug. It's only a penny. But a penny's a penny. It must be the rust coming through on it. That was giving it the old grunting. I was expecting it to be another bottle cap. But there you go. It's just a penny. I was going to say another penny then, but I haven't found another penny yet. It's just the one today. And there you go. Well, it's an 88 no matter which way around I go. So can it be another pound? Or is it just going to be a bit of junk? Sounds very crackly, so I'd say I've been fooled. Oh, or have I? No, I haven't. It is another coin. $2011. It's a 1p piece. Must be the iron core in it. Another crackly number to give me another penny. There's the rust coming through. So yeah, very crackly, but there you go. It's a penny. Another one. Ah, it's a ring pull. Never mind. Just a ring pull. Alright, I didn't show it. There's the hole. I can just see it's a coin now. There's nothing else there. It's a 55, 54, 55. So it's going to be, I would have thought it'd be a 5p piece. It's as green as anything. I would say it's a 5p. Yeah, 5p piece. Very, very green. There you go. See what we got, shall we? Oh, looks like it's a out anyway, so whatever that is, it's a toy car. I haven't found one of them for a while, or at least what's left. Oh no, it's a Formula 1 style car. Happy with that. $2011. Mattel. Bit of a buckled wheel, so it must have hit the central barrier. Let's try and straighten it out a little bit. There you go. It's as that's as straight as that's going to get. But yeah, little toy car. That was numbers everywhere, right up into 98. It's a crusty old penny. Crusty spendable. Well, there you go, which is obviously not going to be able to spend. But yeah, there's a penny. Cool, very chirpy. 92 to 94 in the different directions, so it could be a penny. Could also be a bit of crap as well. See out. I'd like to go for a penny, but there's no guarantee. No, we've got a 2p instead. Falling apart. And there you go, 2p that is starting to fall apart. Hopefully can recover it, but there's no guarantee. But yeah, 2p. I can see rust, so is it a coin? This time it's going to be a penny, I think. Is it a penny? I'd like to think it is. Yep. So the 2p's and the 1p's, they come up similar numbers. But yeah, that's a penny. There you go. I got a 91. 90, oh, it's on the surface anyway. 94 that way. It's just a penny. Just a penny. Yep. Didn't have to dig very far for that one. That's in the scoop, whatever it is. That's a 50p. 50 pence. I did think it was going to be that, but I didn't want to say it just in case it came out to be a ring pull. But there you go, 50 pence piece. 1998. There you go. Looking at the way the ground is, I would say that all the sand that used to be down here has left all this slate and that, because all the way up there is just thick sand. So there you go. So I would say that all of this area down here has been stripped right back. So I'm going to give this one a little bit of a going over. Right, it's a bit all over the place, I must admit, but predominantly it is in the early 90s. So we're looking at a penny or a 2p. What we got, or 2 pence I should say. Yeah, we got a penny. I'll leave that one crusty. And there you go, a penny. 86, 87. Is that another coin? Yes, it is. I'd say another penny, I would have thought. Yeah, another penny. Oh, it's in the scoop.
He's not even playing, Mom. You said he's ready, but he's not playing.
And there we go, another penny. Out. It's out. It's just here somewhere. And it's just a lid. Different type of lid, but it's a lid. Three holes actually. That is. Let's have a look. That battery's gone red. That might be the base of a grenade. An old Mills grenade. I might be wrong. It's a possibility. Maybe, maybe not. Right then, what can I say? Quite a few coins, not much, less than £2 anyway. But all mainly 1p's, 2p's. There's a 50p, a pound, a 20. I think there was a 5 as well. But yeah, so we've got something anyway, at least. Little toy car, quite a few ring pulls, and the horrible bottle tops. As you can see behind me, there's a rail. That's how much the sand has come up. So up this top section, I haven't even checked at all because I just don't see the point in it. It's far too deep, especially for the Deus one. But there you go. I've enjoyed it. I've been out about 3 hours, but I have enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed it. Although I'm not showing all of the finds. I'm going to reduce them down to probably 15 items maybe. I'm going to try and do that in the new year as well, doing 10 to 15 items only rather than showing loads and loads and loads. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, I hope to see you on the next one, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.